This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating where hash and slash appears and why. First, inspect the cell formula and linked ranges. You want to know whether lookup functions or calculation errors cause it. Once done, use show formulas and evaluate formula to step through calculation logic so you can see the failing token. Also check lookup tables for missing keys and ensure lookup types match, exact versus approximate, because mismatched types are a frequent root cause. Now you perform the core fixes. Convert approximate lookups to exact when keys must match, and normalize keys using trim or value so text and numbers align. Once done, correct range sizes and ensure sorted order only when using approximate matches. If formulas still return hash and slash a, wrap them with ifna to provide a fallback value or explanation. Make sure to replace hard-coded ranges with structured references or dynamic ranges to avoid future missing references. Finally, validate the workbook. Refresh all links and recalculate to confirm fixes persist. You should run tests using sample keys to exercise each lookup path and use conditional formatting to spot stray hash and slash values visually. If something still fails, check for hidden characters or mismatched data types. A quick clean and value pass often resolves stubborn cases. One key troubleshooting tip: if external links cause hash and slash a, verify the source file is accessible and update links before assuming formula errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.